Hello guys, I'm going to show you a quick routine. Anywhere you go, when you're on holidays, wherever you are, you can do a quick routine for strength training. I'm going to show you the basic one, squats, and then we're going to do biceps. Alright, here we go. Same setup for everything. Just hook it up on your feet and off you go. You're going to slow motion, make sure you stop it before the clicks, and against the click you're going to do the isometric hold. Slow motion, the slower the more effective it is. I found my first stop and I hold for 5 counts. 2, 3, 4, 5. Click through, do the next stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you're coming down, you can hold for 10 in halfway through the range of motion. Remember, you don't want to let the muscle relax. Start the next rep. Alright, that's the burn for the legs. Without resting, you're gonna go for the bicep, okay? Here we go. First stop, hold, squeeze your shoulder blades, tighten your stomach, squeeze the handles, make everything super tight. 5 counts, relax the grip, click through, find the next stop. Ten seconds on the eccentric. Alright, get muscle failure or as close as you can and repeat the loop non-stop till you get there. Alright, see you next workout.